Today I'm going to show you how to make an authentic Italian liqueur called Limoncello. So when me and Sadie went to Italy, we went to a place called Sorrento, and Sorrento is actually really famous for their lemons. So this is an ongoing process and it will take you about 2 weeks to make the drink. You will need 5 lemons, and preferably they should be organic and unwaxed. This is because you're going to be using the peel of the lemon, and so you don't want to be putting wax into your alcohol because the vodka will likely dissolve that wax and you'll be drinking it. It's not much of a big deal, but if you can, try get unwaxed organic lemons. We don't exactly have that worry because we have our own lemon tree indoors. It's crazy to think that from flower it takes around 1 year to actually produce a lemon. So the better quality the ingredients, the better the turnout of your drink. So firstly, what we want to do is peel all of our lemon skin, and you want to do it very carefully in a way that, see this bit of lemon here? This peel, you can see that there's no white pith on it, and that's very important because if you peel this white pith and you put that in the drink, it's only going to make your limoncello less aromatic and more bitter. So we're just going to peel all of that very carefully. And because you're going to have a lot of unused lemon, because we're only using the peel, what you want to do is probably make a lemonade or something from the juice, or store it in some sort of container. I will put a lemonade recipe in the description for you. If you want, you can also zest it, but I think this way is probably easier. You guys are going to love this limoncello. Doesn't have to stop just here though, you can do it with pretty much any fruit. Other popular variations is a cherrycello, and it works just by getting whole cherries and soaking them in vodka for a week and then making the simple syrup. Let that infuse for 1 more week and then it's done. Lovely fruity alcohol that's best served cold. That's our lemons all peeled, and now we've just got the perfect peel. Just check over, just make sure there's no white bits. You need 500 ml of vodka, and we're just going to pour that over our lemon peel and cover with a lid. And you want to put this somewhere dark and odourless for 1 week to infuse, and when we come back that will smell extremely fragrant and lovely. And then we'll make our simple syrup, combine them together, leave them for another week just to perfect that flavour, and then it'll be ready to drink. So the lemon peel and the vodka has been sitting in this container for 1 week. Now we're going to open it. You can't smell that obviously, but it smells absolutely amazing. Really, really beautiful aroma. And that beautiful aroma is going to show in our limoncello. So what we need to do next is make a simple syrup. So we'll put this lid back on for now. So what we're going to do is put our saucepan on. Then we're going to add 500 ml of water and 200 grams of sugar. I'm using caster sugar, but you can use any. So we'll put a pan on. Then we'll add our water. You can start with boiling water from the kettle, or you can do it from cold and heat it up, it doesn't matter. Now we're going to add our sugar. So it's 200 grams of sugar. Grab a whisk and gently combine. It's important that you cook the water and sugar together for quite a while. Probably around 15 minutes should be good enough, because otherwise the sugar can crystallise in the limoncello. So we just mix that up until the sugar dissolves. So next we want to get our sieve, and we're going to strain out that lemon peel from the vodka. Just pour this in. Look at that yellow colour. Don't know if you can see it, but it's very yellow. It's lovely.
It smells amazing.
Just pour all that right in. Shake all of that off, and look at that liquid underneath. It looks very green because it's in a green bowl, but it's actually very yellow. Right, so now the sugar and water is definitely combined. We're going to turn it off. Let that cool completely for about 10 to 15 minutes. So grab yourself a bottle. If you've got a jug, this would be great. We don't actually have a jug, a proper jug at the moment, so I'm going to use this coffee measuring jug. Just going to pour that straight into the bottle. So this is just a recycled bottle. You can use any type of bottle as long as it's got a lid. Look at that limoncello so far. So now that the simple syrup's cooled, we're going to pour it into the jug. Let's do a little bit at a time. And we're going to start adding it to our alcohol. And if we've made slightly too much, that doesn't matter. We're just going to fill it right up to the top. Realistically, that's our limoncello done. But what we want to do is just let the flavours sit and marry together for about 1 week. If you can do 2 weeks, it will be even better. It's not a drink you want to drink by the bottle. You want to just have a shot before or after dinner as an aperitif. Cheers.